Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great and everything going well in your life. Today I am gonna about this session how to stop overthinking because overthinking can finish out your life completely. So the question rises how to stop overthinking? What is the key solution to get rid of this problem? So in today's session, we are going to discuss. Before continue today's session, if you are a beginner, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel because your one like, share, and subscribe gives me meaningful lesson. Should I upload more premium content and certified with full dedicated content for you where I can help you to speak this language fluently because you find it's very difficult. Nothing is as difficult as you think. Why we find everything is difficult? Because we are not ready to that. If you decided to do something new, nothing looks difficult, everything looks easy. Hey, stop and listen to me very carefully. You always keep rushing here and there. Sometimes you think positive or negative about any kind of incident. In today's lesson, I am not going to teach you anything. I am not going to speak about any secret or any mysterious plan about English language. In today's session, I am just going to motivate you or remove negativity from your mind because many of you get confused. Sir, sometimes I feel negative. I am unable to do anything in my life. I am not ready to do anything. Why? Because I feel negative in my life. Sometimes I regret. Why? Because our mind is not ready to do anything. Our mind is full of problems or doubtful incidents and controversies. How to control so that we can start a new journey from onward. This is not just a question. This is the game of mindset. Until your mindset is well organized, until you do anything. First, you have to make your mind positive. Let's take an example. Imagine I would like to create a situation. Through this situation, I would like to explain you how to stop overthinking. Imagine a person is studying for 2 hours every day. Now the B person is studying for 3 to 5 hours every day. Now the exams are the around the corner. A is very dedicated about his exam, but we think that I prepared all the things, I can write it each and everything in my board exam. On the day of examination, A is very confident to give his examination, but we feel little bit demotivated or nervous. Why? Now the question rises why B doesn't focus on mindset, on curiosity. He doesn't know the exact why he has to study now. But A knows these things well. Why he has to study. That's why he feels more confident. But we doesn't feel more confident during his examination. So most important things, you are doing anything in your life but you don't know why are you doing this, how to do this. There is a problem. You are just trying to see a problem, but you are not taking any step to find out a solution of this problem. Let's take another examples. With the help of this another example, you can understand properly each and everything. Sometimes you feel depressed or miserable. Why? Because we have lost something in our life. We always keep thinking about that things whole time and every time. Because of it, our mind becomes unactivate, not deactivate. So by mind doesn't ready to do anything, because this is not the lack of intelligence or smartness. Suppose that if you have to reach on your destination, if you have to get success in your life, do you know the what are the three criteria that we need to follow to get on our destination? What mission we have made in our life so that we can get it in our life? But you don't know exactly. You need to follow three things. First, goal. The goal that you have made, you have to hard work for it and you have to achieve it in your life. Second thing, you have to follow curiosity, dedication, vision, mission. Third thing, consistency. But sometimes people, let's take an example, real life situation. If you want to improve your communication skills, if you want to make your communication skill more proficient, like a good communicator are speaking in their life with confidently, they are doing something incredible in their lives. Do you want to do like them? You have to. Don't read just a book. You don't just listen each and everything in English every time. Only listening will not make you fluent. Only watching videos will not make you fluent in English language. Sir, please tell me such a solution through which I am able to overcome these problems that I have faced multiple times in my life. Brothers, this is just simple tonic or solution. If you have to start something new from beginning, from zero to zenith, you will 100% face little bit challenges. Challenges is the part of success. Every rejection or setbacks will be your greatest teacher in your life. Until you go through it, you cannot grow in your life. Sometimes you may fail, and sometimes you success in your life. But I want to tell you here fail first. Because success nothing taught me. Failure taught me everything. So please go through it. Don't detach yourself from failure. Don't detach yourself from pain. Don't detach yourself from heartbreak. Because this is the two main point that can take you to the next level where you want to reach in your life. Your overthinking will never allow you to talk with people. Your overthinking will always keep under the well, which means Manduk, the frog of the well. Your overthinking will never encouragement to do something new in your life. Your overthinking will never give you a chance to interact with strangers and new people in their life. When you are free, when you wake up early in the morning, just do some exercises. Why we need to do exercises? You would say your answer is that Sir, I do some exercises to train my mind to make my muscles very strong. That's also right. Absolutely right. There's nothing wrong about it. Absolutely right. I am completely agree with your points. If you if you do exercise every day, your mind becomes more activate, gets capability and capacity to achieve something positive things, refreshment, accomplishment. Many successful people are not successful today. They are successful today because of his daily activity, his persistence, consistency, full dedication, full hard work. They don't skip a single day. They every day complete his activity. What activity he did yesterday? They just recall and get something meaningful lesson from that activity that he did yesterday. So this is the real solution to get rid of this overthinking. If you want to become like a Dr. EPJ Abdul Kalam, if you want to sun like a sun, if you want to bright like a sun, first you need to one like a sun. This is just a simple quotation which is composed by Dr. EPJ Abdul Kalam. If you have to get success, first you will have to sacrifice yourself. You have two choice: change the situation, accept the situation. Think about a lion. Every time he feel positive, his confidence looks very proficient because he is the king of jungle. Lion, a lion is a lion always. There are so many jackals and other animals in the forests, but there will be only one lion will be the king of that jungle. If even if it is single, he will be the king of jungle. Why? Because he has courage, he has dedication or mission to do these things with confidently. Confidence are not something you are born with it. This is just a skill that you can develop by putting your 100% efforts by with consistency and practice. Now tell me, if you follow this simple activity, this may 100% guarantee you can see a huge improvement in your life, in your activity. So thank you for watching this video.